Welcome back to Geometry Classroom. Today we'll talk about exterior angle sum of a polygon. In this lesson, we'll find what is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon and use this formula to find eventually the measure of one exterior angle or even the number of sides of a polygon. Now, first, we know exterior angles are always supplementary to their adjacent interior angles. That's an important detail we have to use in order to find the exterior angle sum. Yes? For now, let's have these four examples, and then after we solve these examples, we will make a conjecture, and you'll see that conjecture is very interesting. Now, look at this triangle first. We need to find the sum of exterior angles. As I mentioned earlier, a triangle has three exterior angles, right? Each for one interior angle. Now, and these angles, exterior angles, are supplementary to their interior angles. Now, how you find the measure of each exterior angle? In this case, by subtracting the given interior angles from 180. Why? Because the exterior angle and its corresponding interior angles are supplementary. Good. So, how you find this exterior angle? We subtract 61 from 180. Yes? And you'll get 119 degrees. Good. Next, how you get this one? By subtracting 79 from 180, and you get 101 degrees. And for this one, you're going to have 140 degrees. Now, the sum of exterior angles would be the sum of these angles, right? So, if you add these angles, you'll get 360 degrees. Let's do the same thing for quadrilateral, which is a polygon with four sides. Now, in this case, we're going to have four exterior angles, right? Let's find the exterior angles associated to these interior angles. Now, in this case, the exterior angle would be 109 degrees. This one would be 56 degrees. For this one would be 104 degrees. And for this one is 91 degrees. If you add them all, so you're going to have 109 plus 56 degrees plus 104 degrees plus 91 degrees. Again, guess would be 360 degrees. Now, let's do the same thing for a pentagon. This time, we're going to have five exterior angles, one for each interior angle. So, for this one, we're going to have 82 degrees. Here, we're going to have 59 degrees. Here, we're going to have 93 degrees. Here, we're going to have 50 degrees. And here, 76 degrees. If you add them all, so 82 degrees plus 59 degrees plus 93 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 76 degrees equals, guess, is 360. Good. The next one, for a hexagon, we're going to have 6 exterior angles. So for this one, you're going to have 65 degrees. Here, 51 degrees. Here, 56 degrees. Here would be 68 degrees. For this one, 57 degrees. And for this one, 63 degrees. Right? So again, if we add them all, 51 degrees plus 56 degrees plus 68 degrees plus 57 degrees plus 63 degrees plus 65, guess, you'll get 360. You can check, right? So we make a conjecture now, and this conjecture is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees, no matter what is the polygon, no matter how many sides are in a polygon. Yes? Good. Let's have a few examples. For example, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon, right? We know a hexagon has how many sides? Has 6 sides, right? Now, we know the sum of exterior angles of a polygon, no matter how many sides are, is 360. Because the hexagon is regular, all interior angles are congruent, and automatically all exterior angles are congruent, right? Now, to find the measure of each exterior angle, what are we supposed to do? We have to divide the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, which is 360, by the number of sides of a regular hexagon, which is 6. So the measure of one exterior angle would be 360 degrees over 6, which is 60 degrees. Yes? So, in other words, the measure of one exterior angle of a hexagon, a regular hexagon, is 60 degrees. Next, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular 24 gun? 24 gun is a polygon with 24 sides. So, n would be equal 24, right? Again, to find the measure of one exterior angle, again, we divide the sum of exterior angles of a polygon, which is 360 always, by the number of sides. Yes, so you're going to have 360 divided by 24. Now, if you divide, you'll get let's do the math. How many times goes 24 in 36? One time. 36 minus 24 would be 12. You bring down 0. How many times goes 24 in 120? I think 5. Right? So the measure of one exterior angle of a 24 gun would be 15 degrees. Next, if the exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 12 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have, right? So, we know the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360. The measure of one angle is 12, right? And we know this polygon is a regular one, which means all exterior angles have the same measure. Now, to find the number of sides, right, n, we simply divide 360 degrees by the measure of one exterior angles, which is 12, right? So if you divide 360 by 12, you'll get 30. 30 sides. So this regular polygon will have 30 sides. Good. And the last one, it says if the exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 40 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? Again, we do the same as we did for 7, right? So, to find the number of sides, we divide the sum of exterior angles of the polygon, which is always 360, by the measure of one exterior angle, which is 40 in this case. 360 divided by 40 would be 9. So this regular polygon will have 9 sides. Remember, the name of a polygon with 9 sides is nonagon. Yes? That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching my video.